Looking for an electric bike that won't break the bank? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Lamicall Bike Phone Holder. What caught my eye is its sturdy design, which grips your phone tightly, ensuring it stays secure even on bumpy rides. If you want a reliable way to keep your phone accessible while biking, this is worth a serious look. Now here's why this product solves your problem. This holder fits phones from 4.7 to 6.8 inches, meaning it works with a ton of popular models, including the iPhone 17 and Galaxy S24. It has a special shape that grips each corner of your phone, preventing it from falling out. Plus, it even comes with shock-proof protection to keep your device safe from scratches and vibrations. Imagine being able to use your phone for GPS or music without worrying about it slipping away. That's what this holder offers. Now, some people complained about it being a bit tricky to install initially. Here's the thing though, once you figure out the installation, it becomes super easy, and the peace of mind it offers while you ride is totally worth it. This is perfect for you if you enjoy long rides and like to have your phone handy for navigation or music, but skip this one if you rarely use your phone on the go. For less than $16, you get a solid accessory that can enhance your biking experience. Now, if the Lamicall's installation bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Top Crown Bike Cover, which you can grab for $14.39. The first thing that caught my attention is its waterproof feature, which is a must-have for those who want to protect their bikes from the elements. If you're looking to shield your bike from rain and UV rays, this is worth a serious look. This cover is made from 210D Oxford fabric, which is surprisingly lightweight yet durable. It can withstand water pressure up to 3,000 millimeters H2O, meaning your bike stays dry even in heavy rain. The elastic band and buckles ensure that it fits snugly around your bike, preventing it from blowing away in the wind. Plus, it comes with a storage bag for easy carrying, making it a great companion for outdoor biking adventures. However, some users pointed out that it's not suitable for transport storage, which can be a letdown if you travel a lot. But here's the thing, if you're using it for static storage at home or in your garage, it performs beautifully. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable way to protect your bike when it's not in use, but skip this if you need something for transport, as that's not what it's designed for. At under $15, you're getting solid protection for your investment. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those emergency flats. Product number 3, the GPU Tech Mini Bike Tire Pump. Coming in at $33.09, the GPU Tech Mini Bike Tire Pump is a game changer if you ever find yourself with a flat tire on your rides. I was genuinely surprised by how compact it is, yet it packs a punch with its features. If you need a reliable way to inflate your tires quickly, this is worth a serious look. This pump has a digital pressure gauge that lets you measure your tire pressure accurately, which is super important for maintaining optimal performance. It can inflate your tires up to 120 psi, and it's compatible with both Schrader and Presta valves, so it works with just about any bike. Imagine being able to inflate a tire from 0 to 100 psi in around 80 seconds. That's efficiency you can count on. However, some reviews mention that it can be a bit noisy during operation. Now, I'll be real with you, while that might be annoying, the speed and convenience it offers far outweigh the noise factor for me. This is perfect for you if you like to ride long distances and want peace of mind against flats, but skip this if you prefer a more traditional pump. At this price, it's a handy tool to have on your rides. Now, if the GPU Tech's noise is a concern for you, then this next one might just be your ticket to comfort. Product number 4, 2 Maples Noseless Bike Seat Cushion. At $31.99, the 2 Maples Noseless Bike Seat Cushion is my pick for comfort. This caught my eye because it's designed for riders who often experience discomfort during long rides. If you want a more comfortable biking experience, this is worth a serious look. This seat cushion offers extra padding and is specifically shaped to reduce pressure on sensitive areas. It's also wide enough to support larger riders, which is a huge plus. The material is made from high-density foam and cooling gel, ensuring you stay comfortable and dry even on those hot summer rides. The installation is quick and easy, taking only about 2 minutes, so you can hit the road without delay. On the downside, some users found it a bit bulky for racing bikes. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for comfort over speed, this cushion is absolutely ideal. This is perfect for you if you enjoy long rides and want to avoid discomfort, but skip this if you're racing or need a sleek design. For under $32, it's a fantastic upgrade for your bike. Finally, if the two maples bulkiness concerns you, the last product might be just what you need for a secure phone fit while riding. Product number 5, Lamical Bike Motorcycle Phone Mount. Last but not least, we have the Lamical Bike Motorcycle Phone Mount, priced at just $13.99. This caught my eye due to its quick lock feature, which makes it super convenient when you're on the move. If you need a phone holder that can keep your device secure and accessible, this is worth a serious look. This mount is designed to hold phones from 6 to 7 inches, fitting various models without hassle. The one-click locking mechanism ensures your phone stays secure, even on rough terrains, which is crucial when you're navigating through busy streets or trails. Plus, it's easy to install without any tools, making it user-friendly for everyone. Some users did mention that it may not hold very heavy cases well, but here's the thing. If you use a standard case, you shouldn't have any issues. It's all about finding the right fit for your phone. This is perfect for you if you often use your phone for navigation while biking, but skip this one if you have a particularly heavy or bulky case. For under $14, you get a solid, reliable mount that makes your rides much more convenient. So there you have it, the top 5 electric bike accessories and essentials under $500. We covered everything from phone holders to tire pumps and comfortable seats. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the GPE Tech Mini Bike Tire Pump because it offers incredible convenience when you need it most.